welcome back to the wrestling world. Now it's time to review the best moments of 2021 from all over the wrestling world. So here we go. At number 10 is the journey of Xavier Woods to become king. From being multiple time tag team champion with Big E and Kofi Kingston, he was the only one from New Day who needs to get a solo flight to shine on his own. With Big E, Intercontinental Champion, and Kofi Kingston already being WWE Champion, it was only Xavier who needs to get to achieve something big on his own. And when in the brand extension we got New Day separation, he really get a chance to shine on his own and he really proves it that he can be the one who really needs to get a single push as a star because we have seen a lot of glimpses of his grit and his determination and he really proves it to hang out with some of the best individual single stars as well. So it was really great to see him becoming the king at this time. Number 9 is another journey, and this is from Rich Swann to become Impact World Champion. After being career-threatening injury, released by WWE as well as some personal life problem, he was the one who really hit hard by the life. But still, he keeps on fight with his heart and gets at the top of the mountain in Impact, and as well as he delivered a lot of great matches with the likes of Moose as well as Kenny Omega. So it was really good to see him coming back in the momentum as a wrestler, and he is still one of the hottest thing in Impact Wrestling right now. So it was really good for him to be the champion after that. A lot of backlash. Number 8 moment is from the night 1 of WrestleMania 37, where Sasha Banks and Bianca Belair makes the history by becoming two black women to main event WrestleMania. The moment as well as the match itself was really fantastic and emotional. At number 7 is the ultimate return of the ultimate opportunist Edge. Not only winning the Royal Rumble and getting the championship opportunity at WrestleMania, his feud with Seth Rollins and Roman Reigns was really remarkable, as well as teasing of some dream matches with the likes of NXT champion Karen Cross and other NXT talent. It was really good to see Edge back in a full flow, and hopefully we can have some more dream matches of Edge, just like against AJ Styles. At number 6 is the idea initiated by AEW's president Tony Khan along with Impact's EVP Scott D'Amore, and who can forget the invisible hand Don Callis in all of this stuff, the Forbidden Door, which allows AEW, Impact Wrestling and NJPW to partner together to give us a real good taste of inter-promotion wrestling. We see some fantastic feuds, some really good dream matches come through, and hopefully we can have more Forbidden Door stuff in the future. With the inclusion of another promotion, we can have our dreams come true so early. So hopefully we can have this in 2022. At number 5 is the return of Becky Lynch at SummerSlam 2021. It was in the company's plan that when they will be back on the road, the big names like of John Cena, Brock Lesnar and Becky Lynch were supposed to return in the promotion. And it really does. Yes, the return was a bit of controversial in the booking, but after then she has been really dominating as she was before going on the break. At number 4 is Big E's journey to become WWE champion. When he won Money in the Bank contract ladder match, he was never going to be stopped. The only thing which WWE needs to look out is against whom he should cash in his Money in the Bank briefcase. Well, it was not going to be Roman Reigns because he was on a different level, and they don't want either Big E to fail his Money in the Bank cashing. So it was ultimately Bobby Lashley to be the target for Big E to become the WWE champion and reach at the top of the mountain. And he really does it in a very emotional way, a really successful way, and hopefully he will carry this championship over his shoulder for a fair enough of time. At number 3 is not only all elites, elite signing, but as well as their elite booking. Ruby Soho, she has been on the verge of becoming champion. Malachi Black have been doing seriously well since his arrival in the company. Andrade Ridoro, not up to that mark as he was in his days of NXT, but hopefully in the future he can have got under his belt. Then it's Christian Cage, who have been not only fantastic with AW, but as well as with Impact Wrestling as he becomes Impact World Champion once again in his career. Then it is Adam Cole, who have just reunited with his old friends Bobby Fish and Kyle O'Reilly, and surely these three will dominate AEW's roster in the future. Lastly, it's the American Dragon Bryan Danielson. After dream match against Kenny Omega and spectacular performance with Adam Page, we can seriously see at what level Bryan Danielson is really is, and hopefully he will carry on this momentum in the future and give us some more dream matches and gutsy performance in his AEW career. At number 2 is the dominance of Roman Reigns. 2021 was really the year of Roman Reigns. Since his returning to the promotion, winning the Universal Championship, and aligning with Paul Heyman, Roman Reigns is on a different level. His wrestling technique, his in-ring work, his mic work, his expressions, body language, everything have been according to his character. And as well as the stable bloodline is really doing pretty good for him and of course his gimmick. So hopefully year 2022 will same for the tribal chief. The best moment of 2021, without any doubt, the return of CM Punk to the wrestling business. It was AEW Rampage last dance at Chicago where CM Punk showed up and sent the whole crowd and of course the whole world wide shock and emotion. And since his signing with AEW, he have been booked smartly by the promotion, not being overpushed by his name or the previous illustrations in his career. Hopefully, in the future, he will have this momentum because we all know that he can still hang around with the AW roster and his mic work is just like the old times, second to none. So that wraps up year 2021 in a wrestling sense. Hopefully, the road to 2022 wrestling journey will make our dreams come true and give us more spectacular moments and matches. Until then, it's goodbye.